Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's video we are going to solve this nice geometrical problem. In this question, two concentric circles with center O are given and AB is a line segment that touches the internal circle at M. That means M will be a point of contact. So here the length of AB is also given 20 centimeter and we have to find out the area of the region that lying between two circles. That means we have to find out the area of this one particular circular ring. So in order to find the area of this ring, very first we will be using some construction. So if we join O, that is the center of both the circles, with the point of contact M, that will give the radius of internal circle. If we call it as small r, and if we join A with O, that will also give the radius of external circle. So if we call it as capital R, that means capital R will be the radius of bigger circle and small r is the radius of smaller circle, and this angle is in fact 90 degree. So if we use a property for the bigger circle, that means AB is a chord and M is the midpoint of the chord. Means if we join in fact, if we draw any perpendicular from given chord, that means that one particular perpendicular bisects the given chord. So from here we can conclude that if AB is 20 centimeter, that means AM will be of 10 centimeter, along with MB will also be 10 centimeter. So if we have to find out the area of this one particular circular ring, so very first we can consider that the area of this bigger circle, that will be equal to pi r square. So if we subtract the internal circle, in fact if we subtract the area of internal circle from the bigger circle, that will give the area of this one particular ring. That means if we calculate the area of this bigger circle and we subtract the area of this internal circle, so the area that will remain will be the area of this one particular ring. That means the area of ring will be pi capital R square will be pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So from here if we take pi as common, so the remaining term will be r square minus r square. So here we have to find out the value of capital R square negative small r square. So here if we consider this right angle triangle AMO, so in this right angle triangle AMO we will be using Pythagorean theorem. So from here r square negative r square will be written as 10 square. So if we put the value of r square negative r square, that is equal to 10 square into this, so the area of ring will be like area of ring, that will be equal to pi times 10 square. So after simplification we will be having this area as 100 pi centimeter square, and this is the final answer of this one particular question.